This announcement follows Steve yesterday. Saying that keeping Goodyear here, an idea the company's board of directors was set to discuss today. As news conference is set for 10:30 a.m. We'll have up-to-the-minute updates on WKYC.com.
A toxicology report on the Success Tech shooter showed no foreign substances in his body. Asa Coombs.
Oh, look, Daisy's playing with her.
Yeah,
Before killing himself.
No, she's just talking to him.
The school district tonight is saying that R.G. Jones has a clean bill of health. Another test is convincing those.
What, Daisy?
CEO Dr. Eugene Sanders visiting the school today to reassure students and teachers.
Droopy dog, come here.
The school did have high levels
Hi, sweetie.
of week, but no other parts of the school.
Tell the baby. Say, leave me alone. Gary, call Tella. Daisy's telling her, this is my mommy.
In the bathtub, while the father was present in the next room.